Here we have a 2018 BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now this vehicle comes with over £4,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention one though, we do have the M Sport Plus package. We have the 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black, all in excellent condition and unmarked, the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We also have the carbon black metallic paintwork, LED headlights. We have the gloss black front grills and also the front splitter, part of the full M Performance kit which this vehicle has. There's a look at the front end, but moving around to the passenger side you find the second alloy wheel again unmarked. We do also have the side skirts along the bottom, colour coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Up top you find the shark fin antennae, and coming around to the rear you find front and rear parking sensors. We do also have the twin pipe exhaust with the rear diffuser. We have a power operated tailgate as well, which can get opened with a press of a button from the remote. Back around to the driver's side, you can see that the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look at the interior then, so inside of the back first you find that we have the full black leather interior. Refundable armrests in the centre, we have the fixed ISO points as well back here. Got the electric windows on the doors. Same leather interior at the front. Both front seats are electrically adjustable. Driver's side has the memory function and they're also both heated. We've got the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric power folding mirrors, electric windows with a child lock for the rear, automatic lights, got the automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel. Just take a seat inside. You'll find the digital dashboard in front of us. If you put our foot on the brake and press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us. Got the speed limiter, cruise control buttons on the left hand side. We also have the high beam assist on that stalk just there. Volume buttons on the right. No warning lights on the dashboard. If any of the lights or screens are flickering though, it is just the camera. They're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We do have the main screen in the centre. It's currently showing the sat nav. Plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. So if we're quickly going through them, we've got the shortcuts down here. You find the media with the radio stations. We also have the other options as we scroll down. We also have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. Moving further down, you find we have the climate control, got the ice-cold air conditioning and the heated seats on either side. We also have the cup holders just inside of there, automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. So if we press onto here, you find the Eco Pro. We have Comfort, Sport and also Sport Plus. We also have the Sport displays just there, which is a pretty cool feature to have. Each drive mode does also change the dashboard, so as you can see from Sport, Comfort and also Eco Pro, changes the design just like so. Put the car into reverse, you find the front and rear parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into park just like so. We've got the manual handbrake, leather armrest as well in the centre, which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you'd expect it to. As you can see, now to fire at the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now we do have the multifunction steering wheel, which just have the paddle shifters on either side. So if you did want to stick the car into manual mode, you can tap one of the paddles and it would change gear. We do also have the cruise control and speed limiter buttons on the left hand side and the volume buttons on the right. Digital dashboard in front of us, which can show different displays depending on which drive mode you're in. You would have seen that on the photos and also the walk around video. We do also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, really does sound incredible in this vehicle. And if you do listen carefully as well throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We also have the full leather interior throughout the vehicle, which is very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3, within 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, perfect for them cold winter mornings, and they're also electrically adjustable, again adding to that comfort level. Now we do have the main screen in the centre, which is currently showing the sat nav, with plenty of features on there that you would have seen on the photos. Below there we do have the dual zone climate control for the front with the ice-cold air conditioning, which is perfect for them hot summer days. We also have the automatic gearbox as well with all the different drive modes. Now we put our right indicator on, starting to slow down, and then waiting for for the traffic to pass before making a right hand turn onto the industrial park. So make the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and then I'll perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hold onto the brakes, put the car into reverse. We've got the parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into drive with no issues whatsoever. If this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.